Hello everyone and welcome back to the cooking stories. In today's video we are going to see how to make creamy and cheesy white sauce pasta. So let's begin with the recipe. To start with, boil some water and add a little bit of salt. Now add in 1 cup of penne pasta and boil the pasta until it is cooked. So take the pasta out and check if it is cooked. This is how you can test it. And once the pasta is cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Do not overcook the pasta or do not keep it in hot water for a longer period of time because it may lead to pasta being overcooked. Now let's make the white sauce. So heat a pan, add in 1 tablespoon butter first and then add in 1.5 tablespoons of maida. We are going to use another 1 tablespoon of butter which I will be adding now. So cook the maida for about 2 minutes or until it changes its color. Now add in 2 cups of milk. So add 1 cup first, keep whisking and then add in another 1 cup of milk. Whisking will ensure that there is no lump formation in the sauce. So mix. And once the milk is well thickened, we'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients. So the milk has thickened in a minute. Now I'm going to add in 1 grated processed cheese cube, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano. If you do not have oregano, you can also use mixed herbs, some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese. You can increase the quantity of mozzarella cheese if you like. Now mix well, cook for about a minute. So our cheesy creamy white sauce is ready and it is now time to add in the boiled pasta. Add the boiled pasta and coat it well with the white sauce. The pasta is mixed well and it is done and ready. Serve the pasta hot and enjoy. I hope you all liked this recipe. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.